Possible ba na dalawang client in 8 hours? And yes, it's a quick yes for me because pwedeng dalawa na tig 4 hours, pwedeng ang 5 na mangyayari 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. Ganon. You can divide it. I think isang bagay lang na I would not recommend for everyone, especially if you're starting out. And ito yung, I'm sorry to say this, pagod na ako, ubos ng pagkatao ko for today's video, but for lack of better term, ito yung mga mandaraya, ito yung dalawang hourly, pinagsasabay nila. Kasi ang thinking nila is, una, magkaibang laptop naman, hindi naman mahuhuli. Pangalawa, yung isa nila is offline, yung isa ay online. And quite frankly, wala naman akong pakialam kung paano kayo humasal, diskarte nyo yan. The only time I think na magkakaproblema, and this is based on my personal experience, is yung isang VA, nagmo-moonlighting siya. Moonlighting is yung nagsasabay ng work. Para nga naman masabing 6 digits daw. And magla-live sila sa Facebook, ipapakita nila na sabay silang nag-work na ganyan. This happened to one of our VAs sa VA agency. And ang naging problema nun was nakita nung client. So automatic, terminated yung contract ni client with us. So affected din yung business namin. So again, wala akong pakialam kung paano kayong humustle. Lahat naman tayo ay iisa ang goal, to survive. But be very, very smart. Kasi kadalasan ang mga gumagawa ng mga pandaraya na gano'n is yun din yung mga inuunang yabang. So parang naiiwan nila yung brain cells nila sa ewan ko kung whatever part of their brain. Tapos inuuna nila yung yabang nila. Yun yung hindi okay. But yes, again, possible na mag-multiple clients nang hindi kayo lumulusot sa pader. You just have to be able to manage your time. And again, rule number 2, huwag tayo mandaya ng client na nagtitiwala sa atin. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home. Chismis. Bye!